Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine review questions 16, 17, and 18. Let's begin by taking a look at review question number 16. Which of the following is not a factor used to determine a taxpayer's main home? A. The taxpayer's place of employment. B. The address listed on the taxpayer's federal tax return. C. The address listed on the taxpayer's driver's license. Or D. The existence of resorts, hotels, or tourist attractions in the vicinity of the home. The answer is D. The presence of resorts, hotels, or tourist attractions near the home would not be a factor used to determine a taxpayer's main home. Now let's take a look at review question number 17. Joe is selling his home before moving to a new state. The sale price of the home was $225,000. Joe's selling expenses were $22,000. The adjusted basis on Joe's home was $10,000. What was Joe's amount realized? Was it A, $225,000, B, $203,000, C, $193,000, or D, $213,000? The answer is B. Joe's amount realized is the selling price of his home minus his selling expenses. Now let's take a look at review question number 18. Joe and Mary owned a home together which they recently sold. Under which circumstances should Joe and Mary figure their loss or gain on the sale of the home as one taxpayer? A. Joe and Mary bought the house before they were married, but sold it after they married. They file separate tax returns. B. Joe and Mary are not married, but they are buying another home with the proceeds from the sale of this previous home. C. Joe and Mary are married and they are filing jointly. Or D. Joe and Mary should not figure their loss or gain as one taxpayer under any circumstances. The answer is C. If Joe and Mary are married and filing jointly, they should figure their loss or gain as one taxpayer.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.